Kumsi benta kajing esno tilang ban penurlong ya kajing angnut jangka sarkar kami lengba kajing simkhiaru da menteri rangbadu kari Narendra Modi halor kajing donkam ban le khoj le suba bat ban khoj ru ya ki saudong saukun lani ka Swachh Bharat Abhiyan nakaliang ki bor pulit Katnat Central Reserve Force ka E186 Battalion jangka nongpo kilami ban khoj ya kamadan joka NSCA mini stadium paham sim kum kajing simenta hakaban wara ya ka khoj ka suba yakane kajing pukhoj yakate kamadan ilakai joka NSCA mini stadium lalam khmat da Ramesh Kumar Tripathi ubadei assistant komandan jongka E186 battalion jongka CRPF nongpo lembat kumba arphongut ki pulit CRPF kilapun khoj ya kamadan barokawei kuntubru ya ka VIP gallery nakaliang Utripati kumuhe pulit ulai thu bakajing thmu jongka ka program kabala pelong bat pukhoj ya kamadan ilakai hanongpo kalong kum kadak jongka jigisimenta hakaban perkhoj pensuma ya kisnong kitau kaban longru ka program kaban nang yai beteng nakawe kapor sakawe pan badru nakawe ka jaka sakawe pan.
Immense pleasure to be part of this Clean India mission. The vision of cleanliness is not new to India. It dates back to the Gandhian era when he quoted cleanliness to almost almightily. We can perceive what he had in his mind when he said cleanliness is next to godliness. Though after Gandhi, the mission got its position on the backbenches, but with Modi coming to power in 2040, revamped this mission again, and he turned it to mass movement, and we achieved a lot from this. This has not been limited to India only, and it has inspired the whole world, and the achievements made by our country has now been recognized by the world body, and in recognition to this, our Prime Minister Modi is being awarded American prestigious prize, that is Global Goalkeeper Award 2019. This award has been started by Bill and Melinda Gates of USA, and Bill Gates needs no introduction. With this, I always and my force always have been on the forefront on such social causes. The cleanliness or Swachhata, which was just achieved by 38% just 5 years back, is now available to almost 98% of the population of this country. This is our great achievement. With this, I end my speech. Jai Hind.